आऊज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम ग्रेड 6 में अलजेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशंस के बारे में पढ़ना शुरू कर रहे हैं। सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि पैटर्न क्या होता है। वी नो दैट अ पैटर्न इज सम फिनोमिनन दैट रिपीट्स रेगुलरली बेस्ड ऑन अ सेट रूल और कंडीशन। एक पैटर्न जो है वो एक ऐसे फिनोमिनन को कहते हैं जो रेगुलरली बेस सेटल्ड रूल या सेटल्ड कंडीशन जो है उसके ऊपर अपने आप को रिपीट करता है। फॉर एग्जांपल, कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो एक मुकर्ररा मिकदार या एक मुकर्रर रूल के मुताबिक अपने आप को बार बार रिपीट करे, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? पैटर्न। अब नंबर पैटर्न क्या होता है? सबसे पहले हम ये देखेंगे, हमारे पास नंबर लाइन है 0 1 2 3 4 5 6। अब आप ये देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे पहले 3 नंबर्स के साथ एक पैटर्न शो हो रहा है 0 to 3, उसके बाद 3 to 6, उसके बाद 3 to 9। यहाँ पे आप क्या महसूस करते हैं? आप क्या देखते हैं कि जो लाइन जंप है वो +3 है, यानी कि आफ्टर 3 यूनिट्स यहाँ पे एक नंबर जो है, एक पैटर्न जो है वो अपने आप को रिपीट कर रहा है। ये आप होल नंबर्स को देख रहे हैं, तो इसमें आफ्टर 3 नंबर्स आपके पास नेक्स्ट टर्म आ जाती है। तो पहली टर्म क्या है? आपके पास 0। जब आपने उसमें 3 ऐड किया तो आपके पास क्या आ गई? दूसरी टर्म 3। 3 में जब आपने मज़ीद 3 ऐड किया तो आपके पास थर्ड टर्म क्या आ गई? 6। एंड व्हेन यू ऐड 3 in 6 you will get 9. So if you repeat the pattern you will get the next term. Now we are going to do some examples to understand it more. What is example 1? Example 1 is find each of the following number pattern, state a rule and find the next two terms. First part of this example is 17, 22, 27 and up to so on. We are given here 3 numbers or 3 terms, and then we are going to find the next 2 terms on the basis of these 3 terms. At first, we will see that what is the first term? It is 17. And what is the next term? It is 22. So the difference between 22 and 17 is 5. So it means you are repeating the pattern between 17 and 22, which is 5. And then 22 and 27, there is a difference of 5. So if you jump 5 units more, then you will get the next term. So first term is 17. You will add 5 and get the next term 22. When you will add 5 to the first term, you will get 22. When you add 5 to the next term 22, you will get 27. And when you will get 27 and add 5 in it, you will have 32, which is the fourth term. If you add 5 in 32, you will have 37, which is the fifth term. So what will be the sequence? It will be 17, 22 and 27 and then 32 and 37. So you are having the next 2 terms. It is the first part, it is done. So what is the second part now? The second part is 56, 53 and 50. You can see that if you minus 3 points from 56, then you will have 53. And if you subtract number 3 from 53, then you will have the next term 50. So it means the pattern is minus 3 now. If you subtract 3 from 56, you will have 53. And if you subtract 3 from 53, you will have 50. If you subtract 3 from 50, you will have 47. Again subtract 3, you will have 44. So the next 2 terms are 47 and 44. So now we are going to solve the third part. And the third part is 729 to 43 and 81 up to so on. Students, you can see that there is a huge difference between 729 and 243 and then 81. So what is the meaning? Meaning is that it is not addition or subtraction of 50 units, 100 units, 200 units. No, there is a big difference. So we can see that we have to find out some number which can distribute each one of 3. We can check that these numbers can be divided by 3. So at first we will divide first term with number 3. So we are having this in explanation. 729 divided by 3. 3 twos are 6, and then you will have 3 fours are 12, and then you will have 3 threes are 9. So it means you are having here 243. So you can see that if you divide the first term 729 by 3, you will have 243, and which is the next term. Now we are going to divide this next term 243 with again 3, and then we will have 81. So it means, what is the pattern or what is the rule? The rule is that you will divide each term with number 3, and then you will have the next term. So if we divide 81, then we will have the fourth term, 81 with 3. So 81 divided by 3, we will get 3 twos are 6, 8 minus 6 is 2, 1 down, so 3 sevens are 21. Now we are having 27. We are having 27. So 7, 29, 243, and then 81. After it, 27 is the next term. So if we divide 27 again with number 3, then we will have 9, which is the next term, up to so on. So here we have done these 3 parts of example number 1. The rest you can do by yourself, and tomorrow inshallah we will do the next work. Hope you will be fine. Allah Hafiz.